Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send an email with Gmail, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, for you to be able to send an email with Gmail, you should definitely need to have a Gmail account or a Gmail, right? So as you can see, I'm on my Gmail here. This is the home page. So now for you to create a new email or for you to be able to send, just come to compose, click on compose right here, right? And then once you click on compose, as you can see, this tab should be opening up, right? So this is the tab that it's opening up. Now this is two, you have this two. This is where the person that you are sending your email to, and then we have the subject. This is the subject for your email, and then we have this column where you should be able to write everything that you need to add and then send. So let's say two, you can send and add an email that you are trying to send. As you can see, let me just send it to that email, right? And then subject, you can add a subject. Let's say tutorial. Let me just say maybe tutorial. So this is your email subject, right? So that's the subject, and then you have this column down here where this is where you are writing the email. So let's just say dear say or something like that, and then you can write, let's say this is just a tutorial, just something. This is just a tutorial, right? And then maybe you can say thank you. So let's say that's your email right there, just something simple. Now two, this is where you can send, and then we have the tutorial. This is the subject, and then TSA, or this is the body, your email body, right? This is everything that you want to have on your email, right? And then now once you are done, you can just click on send. Simple as such. And then as you can see, message send. So you send an email. As you can see, it's very simple. So yeah, that's how you can send an email on Gmail. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.